Quality over quantity. Let's talk about it. Time management is an essential skill to have. However, it can be hard to decide how to go about it. This video is going to provide advice on how to make the most of your time while avoiding the common pitfalls of pressure and overworking. When it comes to time management, it's important to know your goals and what you want to achieve in a certain time frame. Establishing clear expectations and benchmarks helps to ensure that your efforts aren't wasted and that you stay on track. You should also remember to place a high value on your time and to work smarter, not harder. To effectively manage your time, consider breaking down large tasks into smaller ones. This allows you to focus on one subtask for a specific time period without overwhelming yourself. Organizing yourself in this way also helps you keep on track and tells you which tasks need to be completed, as well as, what progress you've made. Additionally, try to leave room for moments of rest and relaxation. This can help improve your overall productivity when you return to your tasks. Next, try your best to avoid procrastination. When faced with a big project, it can be tempting to put it off for another day and another day. However, this will only lead to more pressure in the long run. To overcome